Unit 162, Infinitive of Purpose. The infinitive with to is used to talk about people's purposes, the reason why they do things. Do not use for before the infinitive of purpose. Okay, let's look at the examples that we have. Moira is going to the shop to buy a new CD. It means because she wants to buy a new CD. Okay, so the next example that we have, I'm going to India to have a vacation. It means because I want to have a vacation. Okay, Sarah is going to the shop to buy a new CD. I'm going to Africa to have a vacation, not for. Okay, so we shouldn't use for. Така, сме да кажа, че употребата на for с инфинитив е нещо, което ние не бъркаме. Тоест, това не е наша грешка. Така, но защо се спираме на Infinitive of Purpose по този начин? Сме да кажа, че примерите, които имаме, са лесни. Но, идеята е там, че ние сме склонни много по-често да използваме изрази като because she wants to buy, because she wants to have, because she wants to study or whatever, instead of using just the infinitive. Така, ние сме склонни да използваме доста по-често тези обяснителни изрази, защото тя желае да направи нещо, отколкото да използваме само инфинитивната форма. Така, например, аз мога да кажа Okay, I want to buy a dictionary, okay, to learn English easily. Okay, or I want to have a dictionary, okay, to give it to you as a present, because I want to give it to you as a present. Okay, now let's go on. Okay, we shall read the advertisements. Okay, and we have to choose one country and explain why we want to go there. We shall use infinitive of purpose. The model is like, I want to go to Bangkok to see the Buddhist temples. Okay, firstly about Thailand. Bangkok. Program highlights. Well, it is the capital city for trade, tourism and academic activity. Offers industry-specific internships in tourism and hospitality. It is known as the Land of Smiles and is 95% Buddhist. It is centrally located for visiting southern beaches and northern mountains. Students have a wide range of field trips to choose from, including a weekend with a traditional Thai family. Spain. Alicante. Program highlights. Well, it has sunny weather and beautiful beaches by the Mediterranean Sea, with many opportunities for outdoor activities like sailing and windsurfing. It is one of the most beautiful campuses in Spain, with wireless connection and a sports center with indoor swimming pool, gymnasium and other facilities. It is well connected with major Spanish and European cities by train and international airport. Students can experience local celebrations, open-air markets, and the lively atmosphere of the Mediterranean way of life. Advanced Spanish students can take advantage of direct enrollment at the University of Alicante. Ireland, Cork. Program highlights. Okay. Home of the University College Cork, Ireland's leading university, named University of the Year in 2005-2006. Welcomes more than 2,000 international students every year from more than 75 countries worldwide. Okay, it was designated Europe's Capital of Culture for 2005. It offers an innovative, research-led curriculum taught by world-class academics. Has a state-of-the-art sports complex with a vast choice of indoor and outdoor sports facilities, including swimming pools, saunas, steam rooms, gyms, rugby, soccer and hockey pitches, tennis courts, running tracks, spectator stands and a cafe. Costa Rica. Heredia. Program highlights. Students have the opportunity to live with local families. Field trips explore some of the most beautiful areas of Costa Rica and the world. A comfortable university town yet offers easy access to the cultural, historic and urban highlights of the capital city San Jose. Courses vary from 4 levels of Spanish to ecological studies. It has full campus amenities such as activities, sports, libraries, and cafes. Okay, let's try and answer a few questions here. Why do you want to go to Bangkok? Okay, I want to go to Bangkok to learn more about that city of trade, tourism, and academic activity. Yes. So I want to go there to visit the southern beaches and the northern mountains. Okay, what about Spain? Why do you want to go there? Okay, I want to go there to see the beautiful beaches by the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, and to learn more about that country. I want to go there to learn more about that country. Ireland. Why do you want to go there? Okay. So, okay. Once again, we can say that, for example, I want to visit Ireland, okay, to learn more about the country. Yes. To visit different places of interest. Okay, to experience the local atmosphere. Okay, I want to visit that country to experience the local atmosphere. Yes, because I want to experience. Yes, and what about Heredia? Okay, so I want to go there, okay, to learn once again about, well, the culture of that country. So I want to visit that country to live with local families. Okay, so good. You can give you examples here. And now you have some more questions here. Okay, let's look at those questions. The first one. Why are you studying English? Number 2. Why are you studying English online? Okay. Do you want to go abroad? Why? Do you want to buy a new car? Okay. So this is a good one. Number 4. Okay. Why? Why do you want to buy a new car? Do you want to live in a big house, flat? Why? Okay. 6. Okay. Do you want to have a successful career? Why? Number 7. Do you want to learn to earn a lot of money? Why? Why do you want to earn a lot of money? Okay. 8. Do you want to have a long holiday? Do you want to meet new people? Do you want to win a competition? Okay, you can answer those questions. So, and once again, the idea is to use that infinitive of purpose to say why you want to do something. Така, още веднъж ние ще трябва да използваме infinitive of purpose, за да кажем защо искаме нещо или защо ще направим нещо. Okay, for example, let's look at number 4. Why do you want to buy a new car? Okay. Okay, I want to buy a new car to drive everywhere I want to. Okay? Because I want to drive everywhere I want to. Okay? I can say it like this. But using just the infinitive, okay, sounds really great. I want to buy a new car. I want to have a new car to drive everywhere I want to. Okay, let's look at number 5. Do you want to live in a big house or flat? Okay. I want to have a big house, to invite lots of friends there, to have really nice parties there. What else? Okay. Okay, do you want to earn a lot of money? Okay, let's look at number 7. Why do you want to earn a lot of money? I want to earn a lot of money to buy everything I need. Okay. What about a long holiday? Do you want to have a long holiday? Okay. I want to have a long holiday to have a good rest. Because I want to have a good rest. Yes? Окей. Така, още веднъж. Идеята на използването на Infinitive of Purpose е да кажем защо ние вършим нещо. Обърнете внимание, че ние сме много по-склонни да използваме изрази като because I want to do this, this, this and this. Okay? Well, that's it. So this is our next exercise. We have to match the columns. We have 2 columns. So, number 1. He went to the doctor. Okay, they are saving money. Number 3. The student raised his hand. Number 4. We are having a great party. 5. My friend phoned me. 6. I took up aerobics. 7. I bought a juice extractor. 8. My grandmother is going to hospital. 9. The gang boss has a bodyguard. 10. I need a lot of energy. And now let's look at the other column from A to J. To make fresh juice, to ask for some medicine, to buy a new flat, to have an operation, to get fit, to protect him, to invite me to dinner, to celebrate Jane's birthday, to answer the question, to take care of the twins. Okay, number 1. He went to the doctor. What can we say? He went to the doctor. Okay, B sounds great. To ask for some medicine. So, A, B. Yes, number 1. Number 2. They are saving money. Why? Okay, let's see. Okay, what can we say? C, to buy a new flat. Yes. Okay. 3, the student raised his hand. I, to answer the question. Yes. Number 4, we're having a great party to celebrate Jane's birthday. H. Okay, I can also say because we want to celebrate. Yes. Okay, number 5, my friend phoned me. Okay. What can we say? My friend phoned me to invite me to dinner. Yes. G. Number 6, I took up aerobics. Okay, to get fit. E. I bought a juice extractor to make fresh juice. Okay, A. 8. My grandmother is going to hospital to have an operation. D. Number 9, the gang boss has a bodyguard to protect him. F. And number 10, I need a lot of energy. Okay, what is left? To take care of the twins. J. Okay, well, that's it.